Today I am going to share with you another special drink, and it's all about ube or purple sweet potato. Ube or purple sweet potato, very popular in the Philippines and gaining popularity all over the world. In Japan, it's called purple sweet potato or murasaki. For those that are looking for something new, something different to offer with ube or purple sweet potato in their drink, this is the video to watch. We are going to make use of ube halaya. In the Philippines, it's called ube halaya or simply ube paste. You can make your own or you can buy them off the shelf. This one is sold per kilogram. I just bought them in bakery supplies, groceries, and it's normally used for bread filling, but you can also use this as paste for your drink. So instead of using tapioca pearls or red bean paste or azuki beans, you can also use ube paste. What we're going to make today is ube halaya latte. We are going to make use of my 100% natural purple sweet potato powder here. This is a local brand from Thailand. I'm going to use my ready-made ube paste here. We are going to make use of milk because it's a latte, any milk of choice. We're going to use milk syrup. It's a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. Check the link above if you don't know how to make it. This time I'm using 2:1, so 2 parts condensed milk and 1 part evaporated milk. It is on the sweeter side because I'd like my mix to be very thick, and I'll show you that later. And we are going to use water just to dissolve our purple sweet potato powder. We're going to start by making our topping, which is the purple sweet potato mix. For this, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of my purple sweet potato powder and then add warm water to dissolve the powder. I'm going to use a matcha whisk to dissolve my powder here. You can also use a regular spoon, but it just makes it easier. As you can see here, we have created a paste which is almost equivalent to our ube halaya. Now this is not going to be pourable, so what I'm going to do is I will add some milk. This is plain milk, and then whisk again. This way you also get a better purple color. You get a beautiful lavender color here, and this is definitely pourable, so make sure they're well combined. And I'm going to now put this aside for later. And now to assemble our milk base. I have here fresh milk, and to this I am going to add my milk syrup. This is going to be the sweetener for my drink. Now this is my latte mix, which is sweetened with my milk syrup, a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. And now to assemble our drink. Now because this is an ube halaya latte, I'm going to place 60 grams of my ube paste at the bottom of the cup. Now this is not as good as an ube paste that you would find in the Philippines. Okay. And now to pour our latte mix. Now at this point, if you think you need a little bit more ice, then I would suggest that you add a little bit more, just so that when you pour your topping, it will give you a beautiful layer on top. Okay, so just give it a bit of a swirl. And now we are going to pour our beautiful purple mix over. And voila, you get our ube halaya latte. Beautiful 3 layers there. You've got the ube paste at the bottom, your latte mix, and your purple sweet potato topping. Wow, now as you mix it, look at that lovely color. And of course, because we put the ube paste there will be that texture that you can drink. Beautiful. Okay, well, there you go. Another delicious drink by Chow. This is ube halaya latte. Now, when you mix it, it's just like those, if you're familiar with halo halo, which is a mixture of all different types of desserts, and then you get that ube halaya. When you stir it in, it just blends with the drink. So you don't even need a boba straw here, but I'm going to use it anyway. First, it looks absolutely delightful, and now it's down to the taste. Wow. The ice. My goodness. I must say I have outdone myself on this one. I'm sorry to blow my own trumpet, but it is absolutely delicious. I love the taste of that halaya blended with this drink. It tastes like halo halo. You know, I love halo halo. But the ube paste just gives it a little bit of texture there, a lot of texture, I must say. And then the taste, it blends perfectly well with my milk and the potato powder, purple sweet potato powder. This is the perfect ube halaya latte. Something new, something different, something that you must try. Don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea, details on how to order in the description box below. There you'll find more recipes, more tips, more techniques, and general information if you are planning to start a milk tea shop or even wanting to make these drinks at home for friends and family. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.